Okay, children. Now let us start. Let us see question number 7. Find what the young ones of the following animals are called. You have to write the young ones, okay? Like donkey, young one, foal. Horse, again, foal. Then lion, cub. Tiger, cub. Elephant, calf. Sheep, lamb. Now, children, here one printing mistake is there. Again, yeah, here in the question it is called, it is asked lamb. Lamb is already the young one of sheep. So, by mistake it is again printed lamb after sheep. Okay, so it is some printing mistake is there. After that it is cow, calf, pig, piglet, whale, calf again, owl, owlet, swan, cygnet, eagle, eaglet, then duck, duckling, peacock, peacock. Okay, some more I will give you. Some more animal and its baby's name I can give you, like kangaroo, joy, deer, fawn, frog, tadpole, butterfly, caterpillar, goose, gooseling, goat, kid. Okay, children. So this you will write and learn it. Now next question number 8. Complete the following using your own ideas. Okay, here one is given for you. Again, it can be a kind of open-ended question. Okay, you can write your own ideas. First one is given. His head was too big to hold his neck. His head was too big to hold his neck. Next is he was too shy to. Now here you have to complete. Here he was too shy to what? What you can write? You can write he was too shy to sing in front of the class. He was too shy to dance in front of the class. Okay. He was too shy to we can say give speech in front of the class. Okay. In this way you can write your own ideas. Next is he was too proud. What? He was too proud to apologize. She was too proud to say sorry. Okay, in this way anything you can write there. Next is they were too tired to explore any further. They were too tired to um, complete the homework. They were too tired to clean the house. Okay, in this way anything you can frame your own answer. You can write you according to your own ideas. Next is we are too busy to go on a vacation. Okay, we are too busy to dash go on a vacation. We are too busy to go for an outing. We are too busy to go for shopping. We are too busy to go to watch a movie. Anything you can write. He was too lazy to open the door. He was too lazy to we can say shut down the computer. He was too lazy to complete the work. He was too lazy to do the household work. In this way, you can use your own ideas and complete the given statement. Okay, it will be a it will be fun to you. Okay, according to your own ideas, you can complete the statement. Okay, now we will move to question number 9. Again, it is open-ended question, children. Write a conversation between. You have to write a conversation dialogue form. You have to write between a donkey and a dog, a donkey and a horse, a donkey and a schoolboy. Okay. Now, see, children. Some dialogues I can means we can I can frame for you. Okay. Remaining according to means your wish, you can frame the conversation. Okay. It is means this type of question you used to get na conversation. Okay. Dialogue writing that way. Yeah, dialogue writing skill. So, dialogue between a donkey and a horse. Like you can say horse. You can also give name to them. Okay, it is up to you. For example, horse is saying dialogue. Horse, how are you, Mr. Donkey? Donkey donkey is saying not so good. No time for enjoyment. How are you? Horse, I am good. I have got a good master. He takes good care of me. Now donkey says, my master is good too, but he is poor. I am made to work from dawn to dusk. That is from morning till evening. I am made to work a lot. What horse says? That is sad, dear. I hope things get better for you. What donkey says? I don't know about that. You know, we are known as the beasts of burden. We only carry loads of luggage on our back. Okay. Horse is saying, I know, we are lucky. We have to carry our masters on our back. Our masters are very proud of us. Horse is saying, our masters are very proud of us. Donkey, you are lucky. People sit on you with pride. The same cannot be said about us. No one likes to sit on donkeys. Yes, children, true. No one likes to sit on donkeys. But every person likes to sit on the back of a horse. Okay, it is a matter of pride. But no one likes to sit on the back of a donkey. Poor donkey. It is a means it is a kind of shame thing for them. Yes, sitting on the back of a donkey. In this way, children, you can frame the dialogue in between a horse and a donkey. Yes, so will you do? Yes, come on, do it. Okay, and remaining also. Okay, a dog and a donkey and a schoolboy. Frame the dialogue. Okay. Okay, next question. If you saw someone abusing an animal, okay, treating in a bad way with an animal, okay, what would you do? Write about it in 5 lines. This also, children, it's open-ended. You can frame this answer. Okay, children. Now, we can say, if I were to see someone ill treating an animal, the first thing I would do is abusing means ill treating an animal. Okay, I would do is calmly but firmly suggest the person to stop this kind of behavior towards the animal, or we can say stop his behavior misbehaving act. I will suggest that person. We cannot order anyone, we can give the suggestion that please stop this kind of behavior, okay, or stop his misbehaving act. I will explain to him that this poor animals, this poor little things can't speak for themselves. I will tell them that it is our duty to protect them and not harm them. Okay, if he continues the ill treatment, so after suggesting also, after my request also, if that person is not behaving properly and is still continuing with the ill treatment, I would call the animal protection services. You can call, children. There are agencies, there are some organizations, they are working towards working towards the safety of animals. Okay, you can call them. Okay, you can call them and they will come and do the needful. That is, animal protection services are there. Okay, or you can call the police also. Okay, so this is regarding question number 10. Now, question number 11, visit a library, find poems about animals. Okay, now here we cannot visit a library. You go to Google search and find poems about animals, copy them and recite them to your friends. So here you can you can search the poem and you can share with me so that I can show it to your friends. Okay, children. So do this. So this is the end of the end of pointers. So all this means the questions answers you will get in the form of PDF. Open-ended question, you have to frame your own answer. Okay, children, try. I know that you can do it. Okay, you can do it, and you will do. Yes, right now you will do. I know that you are very good kids. You will complete the work. Okay, children. So now it is time to say bye. Okay, children. So bye bye. Take care. See you then. Bye.